Do conflicting property surveys create legal problems? Imagine buying a house only to find two different surveys showing different property lines. That situation can cause real headaches for property owners. When surveys conflict, it often leads to legal issues because it creates doubt about where exactly the property ends. This uncertainty can spark disagreements between neighbors over who owns what land. If these disputes are ignored or not handled early, they can turn into costly court battles. Property surveys are official measurements that mark the boundaries of a property. When two surveys of the same land show different boundary lines, it can be due to outdated or inaccurate measurements, mistakes made during the survey process, and clear descriptions in property deeds or changes in the land itself. For example, land erosion, construction, or natural growth can alter land boundaries over time. These differences can lead to disputes over encroachments, where one person builds on or uses land that belongs to someone else, or over unauthorized land use. A common mistake is relying on an old survey without checking if it is still accurate. Sometimes property owners do not review all the relevant documents, like deeds or previous surveys, before making decisions. Ignoring early signs of boundary issues or delaying action can make problems worse. Not hiring a licensed land surveyor to get an up-to-date survey can also cause issues, especially if the survey uses outdated technology or methods. To avoid these problems, property owners should always get a current survey before buying a property or making major changes. Carefully reviewing all property documents and comparing them with the survey results is essential. If discrepancies appear, talking openly with neighbors can help reach a mutual agreement. Hiring a licensed land surveyor ensures the measurements are accurate and up to date. Modern survey technology, like GPS and digital mapping, makes this process more precise. If disagreements cannot be settled through conversation, legal action might be necessary. Courts will look at all evidence, including surveys, deeds, and how the land has been used historically. Judges may decide who pays for the survey and who owns what land based on this evidence. In short, conflicting property surveys can cause serious legal problems by creating boundary disputes. Avoiding mistakes like ignoring discrepancies or relying on outdated surveys can help prevent or resolve these issues. Getting professional surveys early, communicating clearly, and addressing conflicts quickly are key steps to protecting property rights and maintaining good neighbor relations.